In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the process from the moment your document is ready, all the way to actually sending it out, so you know exactly what to expect on screen and what each option means. Once you've finished setting up your document in Pandadoc and you're happy with the content, the first thing you want to do is look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Send. This is your main control for sharing the document with others. Go ahead and click that Send button to open your sending options. After you click Send, Pandadoc will give you a couple of different ways to share the document. The two primary options are Send via email and Share via link. If you choose Send via email, Pandadoc will send the document directly to your recipient's inbox. This is a good option if you already know exactly who needs to receive the document, and you want everything tracked in one simple flow. You'll typically see fields for your recipient's email address and sometimes the subject line and message. If you choose Share via link, Pandadoc will generate a unique link that you can copy and paste anywhere you like, such as a chat, a project management tool, or your own email client. This method is helpful when you want more flexibility in how you deliver the document, or when you might be sending it to multiple people in different channels. Once you've chosen your preferred sending method, take a moment to review the document title. The title is what your recipients will usually see in their email subject line or in the browser tab when they open the document. Make sure it's clear and professional so they immediately understand what the document is about. You'll also see a message field. This is where you can add a short, friendly note explaining what the document is, why you're sending it, and if there are any actions you want the recipient to take, like reviewing, signing, or adding information. Keeping this message clear and concise helps your recipient know exactly what to do next. After you've confirmed the title and message, and you're satisfied with your sending method, all that's left is to click the Send Document button. Pandadoc will process your request, send or generate the link, and your document is officially on its way.